Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, so I'm starting to dig out some parts on my other kit that I abandoned many years ago. I started this 9 years ago. If you guys look back through my videos, you'll find it where I kind of got started with this. But it's been about 9 years, and um, I'm just kind of digging the parts out. I've never I've not really ever been too happy with this ride height. My buddy's car is going to be a little bit lower in the back. Let me see if I can get this kind of, yeah. So that's where this one's sitting at, which isn't too bad, but it's got a little bit too much of a rake. So I'm thinking that I'm going to follow Fred Henry's 55 Chevy build that he did, probably been a couple of years ago now, but just want to make sure that I'm giving credit where credit's due. I think I'm gonna go with the 67 Chevelle chassis, and I'm gonna kind of follow Fred's tutorial that he did a couple of years ago on this. I'm gonna see if I can improve the ride height a little bit. Otherwise, yeah, I've kind of got quite a bit of it already done. Several years ago, I scratch built the roll bar, and yeah, this was a resin engine. The intake manifold is basically just like the one my buddy's gonna have on his car with the dual 4 barrels set up like that. Um, it's just a 454, nothing real crazy. Um, I've got fuel cell that I actually wrapped with an aluminum tape, HVAC tape, because it was a resin deal too. And then I've got the Optima battery. The radiator I modified, and I don't know if I'm going to stick with it because the glue that I used kind of made a mess in here, kind of along the edges here. But I'd cut this all out and put a mesh in there to kind of make it resemble sort of a real radiator, but I don't know if I'm gonna pursue that or not. So yeah, we're kind of getting underway here, guys, on my other abandoned build, and see if I can't kind of get this done. I figured I'd talk to my buddy. He has no idea what color he's going to paint it. Initially, he said he's just going to have it be black primer, and that's how he's going to drive the car for a while. My initial part of my hesitation and reason I kind of put this build away is, for one, there were several things that I was doing that I don't know that I was quite ready to, but just wanted to. I back half the 55 frame. This is out of the 66 Nova Prostreet, and I cut it right there, glued it. I pinned it and glued it, and it's fine. And I'll probably use this on another 55 Chevy just to Prostreet it, but I wanna use the Chevelle chassis. And see if I can improve the ride height a little bit. So yeah, that's where this is at. When I get an update or get progress done on this, I will post another video real quick. The other thing that I did is, when I cut the trunk out, I made hinges, and of course did this like 9 years ago. I wouldn't even remember how I did it at this point. I'd have to go back through and watch videos and see how I did it, and how I know I saw it on another YouTuber doing that. But yeah, I did that, but I didn't open the doors, and I don't think I'm going to open the doors. But I opened the trunk just because I wanted to be able to show off the fuel cell and the Optima battery. I've got a wired distributor. I may give this a try again. I haven't done this for a long time. We'll see how that plays out. Anyway, guys, this one's getting long. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.